y'all? It's your girl Tisha back with another reaction video. And this one to Fed the Kids dog doodle prank. CJ so cool. That was kind of dry, but bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. The original video will be in the description box below. Please remember to subscribe if you have not. If you have, what's happening? Let's get to the video, y'all.
What's happening, Wolfpack of cool kids? It's yo boy. See this so cool? It on bike, baby.
Why you got that cone on her?
I'm really ready to go to the doctor right now. Who's ready?
Me!
Okay, I was not supposed to be bringing kids, but I did tell them they can go, so hey, whatever. They can go. But right now, it is time for you to take this cone off your head, boy. That's right. No more cone of shame on Rhino. No more cone jokes. No more, boy, if you don't get your head looking jokes out of here. No more, man. Rhino is officially back in business. After today, he will have this cone mask thing removed. Okay, so we are on our way to the doctor, and it's nothing but good news from here, guys. So let's get it. And we are here at Warm Hearts Pet Hospital, where Rhino is about to get his cone taken off. Let's get it. I got Rhino's cone on my head because I feel that since Rhino had to go through the torture of wearing the cone of shame for 2 whole weeks, I should at least wear it for 2 hours. So with that being said, I am doing the dog cone challenge. I got the kids looking at me all kind of crazy ways.
And guys, apparently CJ has dog fleas.
This is not for fleas, Julia, for your information. You wanna race? You wanna race? Oh. Which way? Which way? Oh. Come on. There's so much dog dookie out here. The cone fell off me. I know you remember this, huh? The hell with that.
Reynolds had to tear it up because he had to wear for like 2 weeks.
2 whole weeks. No breaks. He couldn't even take it out once. Tear that thing up right now.
He's like, this is what you get for giving me in this cone for 2 weeks.
And now look at his ears. They're all standing up properly. Close the door, Nation. You just let about 10 flies in. We need some bags to clean up this boo-boo. Rhino, we gotta clean up your boo-boo. He looks so handsome with those ears. Wow. Look at those ears. Rhinoceros. Rhino. Rhino. Man, this dog is amazing.
He can climb up there.
Look at those ears. I think Rhino successfully tore it up. You got the gun, Nation? What you gonna do with that? Oh, yeah. Wow, she killed me. Great. Dang, Rhino, you really mad at that thing. He's like, I never want to see this again. Ever. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be picking up these doo-doo pals, mountain pals of Rhino's doo-doo, and I'm gonna be throwing them in the garbage can. But once I get to throwing them in the garbage can, I'm gonna go inside and melt some Snickers, Julia, and I'm gonna rub them on your brother and sister face and make them think it was Rhino's dookie balls, and we're gonna get their reaction because I think this is gonna be epic, man. I've never done anything like this, so trust the process, man. It's gonna be crazy. That doo-doo over there is gonna be picked up. Hopefully I can like leave a little smear of it on my finger so it can smell like doo-doo when what is Rhino doing? Hey, tearing up my shoes. Rhino, this is your prank, by the way, not mine. It's your idea. You the one with all the doo-doo spots, not me. Come on. Who's gonna do it? Come on, be faster. Come on, Rhino. You can go faster. You ain't fast. I love you. I love you, man.
That's true love.
Sit. Good boy. Good boy. I'm over here right now. I'm not trying to buy a sneaker. I'm whispering because the kids are in the house. 2 dookies for 2 kids. I gotta warm up some more toasted strudels because mine's melted. Gotta hold my breath. Oh God.
Oh dang it, this one has a hole in it.
What? Oh my God. It's okay, it's okay. That's not the one that I'm picking it up with. That is all that matters.
Oh.
Oh, this is trifling.
I was trying to think it's not this big.
Oh, this is
Or
trifling.
even slimy.
Oh, this is trifling. Okay. Any more poo? I'm looking for any more poo. Any more poo?
Oh wait.
Because got some poo. Well, you see some more? I got on shades, kind of hard for me to see.
Some ways to be, but he don't take care of it. So.
Oh, we're in the jungle right now.
Yeah.
That's poo? Ooh.
Oh my goodness, that stinks.
Oh, this bag stinks. Oh, this is hell. Whew. Can't wait till I can actually walk Rhino down the street so we won't have so many poops to collect at once. Oh, more poo.
Right there on rock.
Oh. That's it. Let's toss that bag in that black bag. That's why it doesn't matter if it had a hole in it. Okay, let's check on this sheer chocolate. Let's see if the chocolate is actually ready. Nope. If that was me, I would say that's a Snicker. We have to melt this, man, but I don't want it to be that melted looking like corn. You're the oldest. You would be the one to know. That's why it's a good thing you're the camera girl, I guess. No shoes. Oh, look at Rhino. He misses us. He wants to come out so bad. Hey, Rhino. It's kind of weird to see us out here and you in there, huh? He's like,
Yeah,
man.
this is perfect.
You think I should rub that on in like that?
Yeah, because it's already melted.
On the bottom? Just rub the bottom part on there?
No, the whole thing is melted.
Okay, you're right. Okay.
It's all shiny.
All right, guys. We about to do the doo-doo prank on the kids. We about to wipe Rhino's doo-doo on the kids' face. Not all of them, obviously, because Jalea is right here with a short self. We got Leonidas Incarnation probably upstairs cleaning their room like Royalty told them to do because they was in trouble for leaving their room a complete disaster. Either way, man, it is time that we get the pranks commenced because it's been a long time since I myself pranked somebody and Jalea, because y'all remember the Jalea prank on Royalty, right? Damn, I'm hungry as hell. But either way, if you didn't see that prank, you should go check it out. It's kind of old now, but either way it goes, man, it's time to get things popping. What, Rhino? I gotta get you out of here. Hey, here, man, this look comfortable. Sit on it, Leon. Is it comfortable to you?
see your face.
Wait.
She knows.
Wait,
It
wait.
tastes good? It's Rhino's doo-doo. Do it taste like it?
It tastes sweet.
Taste what?
Sweet.
Sweet? It's a prank! Ah, that's a sneaker!
It's a Snicker. It's
Spit on me.
candy.
It's a prank!
It's candy.
They just said, don't let Rhino get any. No.
This tastes so good.
It tastes good? I got you. Oh, I got it in Nation's no accident. I'm in trouble for that.
Let me see your face.
Oh, man, watch out for Nation's white dress. Wow. Wow. That looks nasty.
I know.
Oh, my God.
You old man.
Oh, my.
Stay at the top like I'm stuck, that's just how I'm giving it up. She wanna get married tonight, but I can't take a knee cause I'm wearing all white. Me and my broski are twins, but we don't look alike. I don't take naps. Me and the money away.
Alright, y'all, that was the end of that prank vlog. If you like that, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.